When it comes to bone health, calcium often takes center stage. We've all heard that calcium is vital for strong bones, but did you know that nutrition goes far beyond just this one mineral? In fact, maintaining healthy bones requires a delicate balance of several nutrients working together synergistically. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the topic of bone health and explore the important role that nutrition plays. While calcium is indeed crucial, other nutrients such as vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus are equally important. These nutrients work hand in hand to promote bone growth, density, and overall strength. The importance of nutrition for bone health. Good nutrition is essential for overall health, and it plays a critical role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Our bones are constantly being remodeled throughout our lives, with old bone tissue being broken down and replaced by new bone. This process requires a steady supply of nutrients to support bone growth and repair. While calcium is a key nutrient for bone health, it is not the only one. In fact, without adequate amounts of other nutrients, calcium alone cannot do its job effectively. Nutrients such as vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus work together with calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Key nutrients for bone health. Calcium. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our bones, making up about 99% of their total mineral content. It provides the structural framework that gives bones their strength and rigidity. Calcium also plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and hormone secretion. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the absorption and utilization of calcium. It helps regulate calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood, which are necessary for bone mineralization. Without adequate vitamin D, our bodies cannot effectively absorb and utilize the calcium we consume. Magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those related to bone health. It helps convert vitamin D into its active form, allowing for proper calcium absorption. Magnesium also plays a role in maintaining the structural integrity of bones. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral in our bones, after calcium. It works together with calcium to form hydroxyapatite crystals, which give bones their strength and hardness. Phosphorus also plays a role in energy metabolism and the maintenance of pH balance in the body. Beyond calcium, other important nutrients for bone health. While calcium is often seen as the star player when it comes to bone health, it is important to recognize the role of other nutrients as well. Vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus all work in synergy with calcium to promote optimal bone health. Vitamin D, in particular, is crucial for calcium absorption. Our bodies can produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight, but many people do not get enough sunlight or have limited sun exposure due to various reasons. In such cases, it becomes important to obtain vitamin D from dietary sources such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps convert vitamin D into its active form, allowing for proper calcium absorption. Good dietary sources of magnesium include nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables. Phosphorus, the second most abundant mineral in our bones, works hand in hand with calcium to form the mineral crystals that provide strength and hardness to our bones. Good dietary sources of phosphorus include dairy products, meat, fish, poultry, legumes, and nuts. By ensuring an adequate intake of these key nutrients, you can support the health and strength of your bones. The role of vitamin D in bone health. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, because our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. However, many people do not get enough sunlight or have limited sun exposure due to factors such as living in areas with long winters or spending most of their time indoors. As a result, it becomes crucial to obtain vitamin D from dietary sources and supplements. Vitamin D plays a critical role in bone health as it helps regulate calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood, which are necessary for bone mineralization. Without adequate vitamin D, our bodies cannot effectively absorb and utilize the calcium we consume, leading to weakened bones and increased risk of fractures. Foods that are good sources of vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products such as milk and yogurt, fortified cereals, and egg yolks. Additionally, some mushrooms, especially those exposed to ultraviolet light, can provide small amounts of vitamin D if you have limited sun exposure or are at risk of vitamin D deficiency. Your healthcare provider may recommend vitamin D supplements to ensure optimal bone health. Foods that promote bone health. In addition to calcium-rich foods, there are several other foods that can promote bone health. Including a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet can provide the necessary vitamins and minerals for optimal bone health. Leafy green vegetables. Dark, leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are excellent sources of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for bone health as it helps regulate calcium metabolism and supports bone mineralization. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids but also provide vitamin D, which is crucial for calcium absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to reduce inflammation and improve bone health. Dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are well-known sources of calcium. They also provide other important nutrients like vitamin D, phosphorus, and protein, which are essential for bone health. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds, are packed with nutrients that support bone health, such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They also provide healthy fats and protein. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes, such as chickpeas, lentils, and black beans, are rich in calcium, magnesium, and protein. They also contain other nutrients like folate and iron, which contribute to overall bone health. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients that support bone health. The impact of lifestyle factors on bone health. While nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy bones, various lifestyle factors can also impact bone health. It's important to be aware of these factors and make choices that support optimal bone health. Physical activity. Regular weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, jogging, and weightlifting, help stimulate bone remodeling and increase bone density. Engaging in regular physical activity can help maintain strong and healthy bones. Smoking. Smoking has been linked to decreased bone density and an increased risk of fractures. It can also interfere with the absorption of calcium and other nutrients necessary for bone health. Quitting smoking is beneficial for overall health, including bone health. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium and other nutrients necessary for bone health. It can also increase the risk of falls and fractures. Limiting alcohol intake is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Medications. Certain medications, such as corticosteroids, anticoagulants, and some anticonvulsants, can have negative effects on bone health. If you're taking any medications that may impact bone health, it's important to discuss this with your healthcare provider and explore potential strategies to mitigate the effects. Taking a holistic approach to bone health by considering both nutrition and lifestyle factors is key to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Supplements for bone health. While obtaining nutrients from whole foods is generally the best approach, certain situations may warrant the use of supplements to support bone health. It's important to note that supplements should not be used as a replacement for a healthy diet, but rather as a complement to it. Calcium supplements. Calcium supplements can be helpful for individuals who struggle to meet their daily calcium requirements through diet alone. It's important to choose a high-quality calcium supplement and take it as directed, as excessive calcium intake can have negative health effects. Vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D supplements may be necessary for individuals with limited sun exposure or those who have been diagnosed with vitamin D deficiency. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for your specific needs. Magnesium supplements. Magnesium supplements may be beneficial for individuals who have low magnesium levels or difficulty obtaining enough magnesium through diet alone. It's important to choose a reputable magnesium supplement and follow the recommended dosage. Omega-3 supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and support bone health. If you don't consume fatty fish regularly, omega-3 supplements derived from fish oil or algae can be a good option. Before starting any supplementation regimen, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure that it aligns with your specific needs and health goals. Bone health and aging. As we age, our bones naturally become more fragile and prone to fractures. This is due to a combination of factors, including a decrease in bone density, changes in hormone levels, and a slower rate of bone remodeling. However, there are steps we can take to support bone health as we age. Adequate nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and other key nutrients is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones as we age. Regular exercise. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises and strength training can help maintain bone density and prevent age-related bone loss. It's important to choose activities that are safe and appropriate for your fitness level and consult with a healthcare provider or exercise professional if needed. Fall prevention. Falls are a leading cause of fractures in older adults. Taking steps to prevent falls, such as keeping your home well lit and free of hazards, using assistive devices if needed, and practicing balance exercises, can help reduce the risk of fractures. Regular checkups. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help identify any potential issues or risk factors for bone health. They can also provide guidance on nutrition, exercise, and other lifestyle factors that support optimal bone health. By taking proactive steps to support bone health as we age, we can reduce the risk of fractures and maintain mobility and independence. Tips for maintaining strong and healthy bones. In addition to ensuring an adequate intake of key nutrients and adopting a healthy lifestyle, here are some additional tips for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Get regular weight-bearing exercise. Engage in activities such as walking, jogging, dancing, or weightlifting to stimulate bone growth and maintain bone density. Practice balance exercises. Activities like yoga and tai chi can improve balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Limit caffeine and soda consumption. Excessive intake of caffeine and soda has been associated with decreased bone density. Moderation is key. Reduce sodium intake. High sodium intake can increase calcium excretion and contribute to bone loss. Aim for a diet low in processed and packaged foods, which tend to be high in sodium. Maintain a healthy body weight. Being underweight or overweight can increase the risk of bone loss and fractures. Aim for a healthy body weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Quit smoking. Smoking has been linked to decreased bone density and increased fracture risk. Quitting smoking is beneficial for overall health, including bone health. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can interfere with calcium absorption and increase the risk of falls and fractures. Stick to moderate alcohol intake or avoid alcohol altogether. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps maintain overall health, including bone health. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can support the health and strength of your bones for years to come. Conclusion: taking a holistic approach to bone health. When it comes to bone health, nutrition goes far beyond just calcium. While calcium is indeed crucial, other nutrients such as vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus play equally important roles in promoting bone growth, density, and overall strength. Maintaining strong and healthy bones requires a delicate balance of these nutrients, along with a healthy lifestyle. By understanding the full picture of bone health and considering both nutrition and lifestyle factors, you can make informed choices to support the health and strength of your bones. From consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods to engaging in regular physical activity and avoiding harmful habits, you have the power to take a proactive approach to bone health. So, let's go beyond calcium and unlock the secrets to optimal bone health. Give your bones the support they deserve by nourishing them with the right nutrients and taking steps to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Your bones will thank you for it, both now and in the years to come. Thanks for watching.